Is Amazon KDP still a good way to make money in 2025? Or is self-publishing dead? You've probably heard people saying how low-content books don't work anymore and that you should move to fiction or non-fiction instead. But let's talk about the truth, because yes, you can still make money on KDP, but it's not as easy as it used to be. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what's working, what's changed, and how to build a profitable KDP business this year. Let's have a look. So the question is, can we still make money this year with Amazon KDP? And with so many voices saying the low content book days are over, it's hard to know what still works. Yes, things have changed, but you can still create low content books and build a profitable self-publishing business. You just need to adapt to the new landscape, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to walk you through how to succeed on KDP in 2025, whether you're into low content, fiction, or non-fiction. I'll cover the marketing strategies, the role of AI in publishing, and even the latest trends that are shaping the future of self-publishing. If you want your books to stand out this year, stick around. I've got some practical tips that really work. But let's start with the reality. The days of uploading a simple notebook and watching the money roll in overnight, those are long gone. The KDP marketplace is more competitive now, and making consistent income requires more than just hitting publish. But don't worry, there's still plenty of opportunity if you're willing to put in the work. So here's the thing, competition is a lot higher, so therefore marketing is essential now. But one thing that's really important is quality matters more than ever. Low-content books like journals and planners still sell, but it takes a more strategic approach. You need to niche down. Think hyper-specific, like planners for niche hobbies or journals tailored to unique audiences. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. So what actually works in 2025? First of all, Amazon ads are still a powerful tool, but they can get really pricey if you're not careful. I've noticed that last year, towards the end of last year, my Amazon ads were becoming really expensive. So I've been experimenting with Facebook ads, and honestly, they've been giving me great results at a much lower cost. So it may be worth trying Facebook ads for your books as well. So Amazon ads basically target buyers on Amazon, but can be costly. So they do have their advantages and disadvantages, whereas Facebook ads are much cheaper and they are great for building a brand awareness. So I would give Facebook ads a try for your books and see if that helps. And beyond ads, branding your books is key. Create a consistent look and feel across your covers, and don't forget to promote on social media. But here's the big one. Start building an email list. Whether it's under your author name or pen name, an email list gives you direct access to your readers and keeps them coming back for more. Creating an email list has been one of the things that has really helped me increase my book sales. So what is trending in 2025? Let's talk about some exciting trends that are shaping self-publishing this year. And I'll give you some book ideas along the way to spark your creativity. So the first trend is micro niche targeting. For low content books, going hyper-specific is the key to standing out. Instead of generic journals or planners, think of very focused audiences. And some book ideas for that would be, for example, daily planner for beekeepers, a planner designed for tracking hive inspections, honey production, and seasonal changes, or maybe a vintage camper van travel journal, a themed journal for people documenting road trips in retro vans, or a knitting project logbook for crafters to track patterns, yarn types, and project progress. So if you're just creating a planner for everyone, that's going to be much more difficult to sell. Try and really niche down. The second trend is AI-assisted publishing. So AI tools are everywhere. But here is what I think. Use them responsibly. Don't rely on AI to write entire books, especially if you're not familiar with the subject. Readers are smart. They want authenticity. And so do I. I think there are a lot of people writing books with AI and they're not really familiar with the topic, and it shows. I think you can tell straight away when a book has been written with AI, and unfortunately the reviews will reflect that. I think the way to go is to let AI help you, but don't let AI write it. So what kind of book ideas have we got? Well, a creative writing prompt journal. Use AI to generate fun, unique prompts, but add your own personal touch to guide writers. You could also create a mindfulness coloring book, AI-assisted illustrations with your unique style and human-crafted quotes or affirmations. And another idea would be fun facts for curious kids. Use AI to gather facts, but ensure accuracy and inject your personality into the explanations. Another trend is subscription models and direct sales. So subscription platforms like Kindle Unlimited are growing, but more authors are also moving towards direct-to-consumer sales through their own websites. This gives you more control and higher profits. So think about maybe creating your author website this year. So here are some book ideas. So you could create an exclusive gratitude journal club. So that would be a subscription-based series of monthly gratitude journals with unique prompts and designs each month. Or you could create a serialized cozy mystery series. Release one short story per month directly to your email subscribers or on platforms like Patreon. You could also create printable educational worksheets for kids and sell them directly on your website with monthly new activities and worksheets for parents and teachers. So those are some ideas for a subscription model and direct sales. And the most important thing is don't forget to create your email list this year. Another trend is interactive books and multimedia integration. So this would be like adding interactive elements like QR codes, linking to videos, audio content, or bonus downloads. And it's becoming a huge trend, especially in non-fiction and in children's books. So here are some ideas for that. You could create an interactive travel guide. So you could include a QR code linking to virtual tours or playlists that match the destination's vibe. So for children's storybooks, you could have a children's storybook with sing-along songs. So you could create QR codes that link to original songs or narrated versions of the story. And if you're making a fitness journal, you could make a fitness journal with video tutorials with QR codes linking to exercise demonstrations for each workout in the journal. So those are just some ideas to make your books a little bit more interactive. And another big trend is shorter, high-impact content, and this is the one that I find particularly interesting. So what is shorter or high-impact content? What could that be? Well, it could be things like novellas or short stories or concise non-fiction guides. They're becoming really popular, and people want quick reads that are actionable and engaging. So what could you create for this trend? Well, you could create, for example, 30-minute recipes for busy weeknights. That could be a concise cookbook with quick, easy meals. You could create the 7-day productivity boost, a short, actionable self-help guide with daily tips to improve productivity. Or you could create a flash fiction anthology, a collection of very short stories, perfect for readers with short attention spans. So these are some things that you could integrate in your book creation this year, and these are the things that are trending for 2025. So how about nonfiction and fiction as opposed to low content books? Well, I've also dipped into nonfiction, specifically in the self-help niche, and here is my advice. Only write about what you know. Too many books are being created using AI by people who have no background in the topic, and that's not something I recommend. Authenticity and expertise shine through, and your readers will appreciate it. So whether you're writing fiction or non-fiction, focus on quality. Well-researched, well-written books will always stand out, no matter how saturated the market gets. So I think the bottom line to make money on KDP in 2025 is the need to adapt. Focus on niche targeting, embrace ethical AI use, build a strong brand, and most importantly, deliver high quality books. And don't forget to build your email list, because that is really one of the things that has helped me sell more of my books. And don't forget, whether it's low content books, fiction or non-fiction, the authors who succeed are the ones who treat this like a business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. So is KDP still a good way to make money in 2025? Absolutely, but it's a bit different now. If you focus on quality, marketing and branding, you can still build a very profitable self-publishing business. So let me know in the comments, are you still publishing low content books, or are you pivoting to something else? I would really love to hear your thoughts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more KDP tips every week. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you next time.